Hey everyone, today we're going to make Boogie the butterfly. To make Boogie the butterfly, the things you'll need: some color paper, some leaves, sketch pens or color pens, some pencils, scissors, and some glue. First, we need to grab 2 leaves and place them on a yellow paper. You have to place the leaves such that they become the wings of Boogie the butterfly. Now we are going to take a pencil and trace the outlines of the leaves to make wings of Boogie the butterfly. Mark the drawn lines with a sketch pen. Now we want to cut the wings of Boogie the butterfly using a scissor. But be careful or take your parents' help. These are the wings of Boogie the butterfly. Next, you want to grab a pencil and draw 4 circles on a green colored paper and cut them. Now we want to paste these circles in the center of the wings to make the body for Boogie the butterfly. Now take a red sheet of paper and draw a bigger circle. Cut the red circle and place it on top of Boogie the butterfly. Grab a black marker and draw the face and ears of Boogie the butterfly. Here you have Boogie the butterfly.